When you have equipment that are maintained properly and qualified frequently, you can see things coming and you can repair them before they're breaking. So that's the first thing from that team that is really important. Secondly is the fast turnaround. So when we have an issue, we troubleshoot on site. We have more than 6 technicians full-time in the lab, so they can go troubleshoot, find the issue, do the repair, calibrate the instrument, and get it back together. That's a big difference when you compare to service contracts that they're gonna have a technician coming in within 24 to 48 hours to see what's the issue. So that's where we have a big gain. And the last thing I would say is cost efficiency. Service contract can be expensive even though you don't have to repair your instruments.